Question number 3. A student measures the time for 20 oscillations of a pendulum. Okay, 20 oscillations of a pendulum. Experiment is repeated 4 times. There are 4 trials being shown. Okay, measurements are shown over here. What is the best estimate of the uncertainty in the average time for 20 oscillations? Is asking you to find out uncertainty. What uncertainty is? See, look at this here in the options. Okay, there are uncertainty values given in terms of seconds. What kind of uncertainty it could be? It could always be your delta t over here, which means what? It's an absolute uncertainty we need to find. Now, how do we find it? So what you do is first find out what is the average. Okay, average here would be, so let us find the average over here. So let me take my calculator. Okay, so now we have 10.45 plus 10.3 plus 10.7 plus 10.55, altogether put 42 divided by 4 trials will be equal to 10.5. Okay, now let us start working out with this. Thus the average of this is equal to 10.5 seconds, 10.50 seconds you get. Okay, now you see what is the maximum value here, 10.7. What is the minimum here, 10.3. So how do I write now? I can now write the average for time. It's not time period, this is the average time taken for 20 oscillations. I'll write T20 is equal to 10.5 plus or minus 0.2 seconds. When I do this one, what does it do? It covers both the maximum value and as well as the minimum value. Thus, anything which lies in it is being covered over here. Thus, the uncertainty in determining this value would be 0.2 seconds. Thus, the answer is C.